Recruitment is one of the most important elements in building a strong workforce. Outstanding employees play a crucial role in driving an organization's success, helping it grow and progress efficiently. However, recruitment processes vary across companies, with each business adopting its own approach based on its unique needs. At its core, recruitment is the process of searching for and hiring new employees. It begins with creating a job position, followed by finding candidates who possess the necessary skills and knowledge for the role. Once potential candidates are identified, the next step is conducting interviews to assess their qualifications and suitability. Every company's hiring strategy differs. Some organizations rely on structured recruitment frameworks, while others adopt flexible processes based on industry demands. Regardless of the method used, recruitment remains a vital function that shapes a company's future by ensuring it has the right talent in place. Recruiter's task is to associate directly with these senior recruiters, such as creating job description, posting job ad, schedule the interviews, and you have to just limit it for the posting ads and schedule interviews. Human resource representative is often responsible for onboarding the employees. Hiring manager main work is conduct the final interview and train the new employees. Here is the different work that recruiter do. Identification of open position, drafting job position, posting to new job board, reaching out to potential candidates, scheduling pre-screening interview, conduct interview, making hiring decision, sending offer to employees. Roadmap: how you become confident in recruitment. Step 1: learn the all basics. 2 is practice what you learned. Third step is gain some knowledge about tools. Last step is do some free course. Please like the video, subscribe the channel.